Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss our last lesson, that is our fourth unit, atmosphere. So, what is our fourth lesson, children? It is atmosphere. From this lesson, we are going to know about what is biosphere, and we can understand about the atmosphere, and then we can understand the different types of wind and clouds. So, from this lesson, we are going to know about the biosphere, atmosphere, and also we are going to learn the types of winds and clouds. So, first one, biosphere. So, what is biosphere, children? Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere that can support life. So, what is biosphere, children? It is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. In this pic, you can find biosphere. Biosphere is the combination of atmosphere, which means the air, the lithosphere, which means the land, and finally the hydrosphere, which means ice and water. So the combination of all these three things are called biosphere. Have you all understood, children? Here see, atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. The combination of all these three called biosphere. So what is atmosphere, children? It is air. Lithosphere is land, rock and soil together called land, and hydrosphere is water. The combination of all these three, atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere, is called biosphere. Look, children, what is biosphere? Biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. From those are can support our life. Here they have given lithosphere is the land on the earth, hydrosphere is the water on the earth, atmosphere is the air on the earth, and finally biosphere is the life on earth. I have told you already, children, biosphere is the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air on the earth, hydrosphere is the water on the earth, lithosphere is the land on the earth. The combination of all these three is called biosphere. So, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth. It is the envelope of air around the earth. Then, weather. Weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere at any place in regard to temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and rainfall. So weather is the conditions which changes in day to day. It is the day-to-day conditions of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is the air in the earth. So weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere. It is the conditions of air at any place in regard to the temperature, pressures, wind, humidity, and rainfall. What is humidity, children? The amount of vapor. It is humidity. So, water vapor, the amount of water vapor in the air, that is called humidity. Then climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. What is vast, children? It is a large. So climate is the average weather condition of a large area over more than 30 years. These are the difference between the weather and the climate. So weather is a day-to-day conditions of atmosphere. Here it is the conditions of the large area over more than 30 years. This is the difference between weather and climate. Here they have given the composition of air. In the air, we have 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, and the other gases are 1%. So tell me, children, in the air we have 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, and the other gases are 1%. So what are included in that other gases, children? They are carbon dioxide, ozone, argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon, methane. Okay, children, I'll tell you again. Carbon dioxide, ozone, argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon, and methane. These are the other gases. The percentage of the other gases is 1%. So these are the composition of air. Oxygen is 21%, nitrogen is 78%, and the other gases are 1%. These are the composition of air. So remaining we'll see in our next class. Thank you, children.